Miss June Karaoke.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to make your chicken curry. This is an Indian cuisine that I absolutely love to make. So the first thing that I do with my chicken is I wash it thoroughly with water like 2-3 times, and then I go in with my white vinegar to just remove all the dirt and just typically wash your chicken. Like, I do not understand these people who say that washing your chicken removes, I don't know, the flavor or what. I personally cannot cook any of my meat without washing, so I thoroughly rinse with the vinegar and then I do another rinse with water. So for the marination, we are going to be adding mala. This is mala, or you can use plain yogurt or curd, works the same. I add ginger and garlic paste, some salt, some ajinomoto, or you can call it MSG, and these are mild chilies from Siri Nichibundiro. I love them. And then I put a tablespoon or so of paprika, tablespoon or so of white pepper as well, and then I give it a good mix to just get the spices in there and just marinate the whole thing. And then I finally go in with curry powder. I cannot cook, especially curry, without curry powder. Like, honestly, this is what builds and brings the spices together, this blend. And then I just cover it with a cling film, and then I put it in the fridge for around 1 to 2 hours, or even longer. The longer it stays, the better, because the marination gets into the chicken really well. So after 2 hours, I now put my chicken in a pot with oil, and then I just add the mixture there, taking all the marination and putting it in there. And then I'm just going to cover the meal, give it a good stir, and then cover the meal and let it cook in its own oil. Just as it is, it will just cook slowly, and then we are just going to brown it. As you can see, it's browning on some ends, and it's very important to use a non-stick pot because it actually really helps. Then after that, I go in with my onions. I love onions. The more the onions, the better. I honestly love onions. You go in with that, and then I added tomato puree. I just blended tomatoes and capsicum together, and then I added paprika and a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can also add oyster sauce if you want your dish to be a little bit sweet. I love it as well, but at times I don't put it.
I'm halfway cooking and I realized that I don't have dhania, but the beauty of having a kitchen garden, yeah? I'm going to pluck some dhania from our garden. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. I want some dhania from here. I guess I'll show you during the day. It's usually you can see it more, but let us pluck some dhanias. Oh yeah, when I get closer you guys can see. So let me get some dhanias from the shamba. Let's get some more. Zingine hata zijakoma, Jesus, na nimechuna. Oh, let's put that back. Let me look for one zenye zimekoma, and then yeah, I'll show you guys once I'm done.
That's how simple it is to make chicken curry. In less than 30 minutes, you have an awesome and wholesome dish in your house. Let me know what you'd pair this with. I paired mine with ugali, and it was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.